In this video, we're going to China. Come along with me as I take you off the beaten path. We'll explore some of the Chinese markets and Chinese street food. Is it gross and disgusting, or is it fascinating? I'll let you decide. Please, if this is your first time watching my channel, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe. Our first stop is China, home of the Great Wall, which spans over 15 provinces, covering a whopping 13,000 miles if you include all its branches. A trip to China wouldn't be complete without a visit to Tiananmen Square, a cruise along the Yangtze River, and a stop in Shanghai to see the beautiful architecture. How about taking a few steps away from these famous locations? Within a few blocks of walking, you're bound to run into some very interesting and unusual culinary delights. How about some snakes? It's believed among the Chinese people that snake soup is a warming food that heats the body, giving it its yang to balance the cool yin during the winter season. How about some dried fish or some roasted goat heads? Or flame-torched chicken? Or charcuterie you find hanging outside the windows of the shops? If you're the adventurous type, I recommend going to Wangfujing Donghuamen Night Market in Beijing. Here you'll find such exotic delicacies as live scorpions on a stick, millipedes, seahorses, fried crickets, grasshoppers, lizards, and silkworms, just to name a few. This market is loud and bustling with people and all sorts of delights for your olfactory senses. So, what do you think? Would you eat this? Do you find it fascinating or gross?